Hello friends, today I'm making mushroom and sweet corn on the skewers. Friends, I'm going to melt the butter in my microwave for 5 seconds. I'm going to put some garlic, 1 spoon of garlic, and I'm going to put some rosemary to give it a good aroma. Rosemary inside, and I'm just going to mix it really nicely, and I want to put it in on this, on my corn and my mushroom. I'm going to put these corn and mushrooms in the grill for 5 minutes. I'm going to check on my corn and mushrooms now. Can you see? I'm going to turn them around like this. Just give it a little turn and put them back again for 5 minutes. But I'll keep standing here to keep an eye on them. Let's check if it's ready now. Yes, it looks ready. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to place it. And I'm going to put some chaat masala on it. That is black salt. A little bit I'm going to sprinkle on it. And I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper on it. This dish is ready. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.